India has a very low per capita consumption of chocolates. Consumption drops quite remarkably as you go down income segments. So growing consumption amongst a large bulk of Indian consumers, especially with lower incomes, is really the key of driving per capita consumption. So the challenges are twofold. One, getting affordability right, and at the other level, getting cultural acceptability for chocolates, an essentially Western product. And today Cadbury Dairy Milk, owing to its advertising over the past couple of years, is an acceptable alternate to traditional Indian sweets or mithai during celebratory occasions. We're intending to target lower income youth, say 12 to 19 years. Because of media, they are exposed to everything that is happening around them in the world. And therefore they aspire to progress, they want to change, they want to make popular brands part of their lives.
My name is Jigar. I am 17 years old and my hobbies is to play cricket, football, listen and latest Hindi Bollywood music. It is one of my ambition to travel the whole world. I would like to learn more about the other people's culture and tradition. My mother is a truly natural Indian housewife. My dad is 50 years old. He is having a communication shop. My younger sister, her name is Harsha. She is 16 years old. We are close to each other, yeah. That is the generation gap, but they learn from us and we also learn from them.
To deliver affordable products, we've got to change our thinking in terms of product development. We've got to start from the end consumer price and then work backwards. So it's about smaller packs, lower price points, and wide availability across retail outlets in the smallest of towns. Dairy Milk Shots is available at 2 rupees, and this is the lowest price that the brand is available in the country. One of our biggest challenges is to make it heat hardy. Cadbury Dairy Milk Shots can withstand temperatures of up to 40 degrees centigrade.
Naya Cadbury Dairy Milk Shots.
It's also spherical in shape, and that mimics a very popular traditional Indian sweet called laddu.
Because nowadays I am not an earning person. I would be earning after doing my degree. Rely on my parents for pocket money, fees and all.
Thank you.
I don't get much money, but it is enough for me if I spend it properly. 4 Dairy Milk Shots dejo. There is a little bit of money which is left in my pocket after the whole day. So I would have small chocolates which are available in the shops.
So another initiative of ours is the relaunch of Perk. We reformulated Perk, offered 50% greater size. It's available in 2 rupees and 5 rupees. And it's got an added ingredient of glucose, which in India is popularly associated with energy. Another large brand is Bournvita. And by making Bournvita affordable at 20 rupees, we've got a whole set of new consumers into the category.
I would like to be a businessman. I would like to own a bungalow, car and fulfill all my ambitions which are available right now and make my mother and father to have a great luxurious life ahead.
If we tap into this new generation of young consumers, they'll give us a great platform for growth in the years to come.